think that's a jewelry box under that pink blanket there? 200, 400, 475, 500 bucks probably, right? Units are getting interesting out here. We're almost there. We got some, Pirates of all ages, we are here at this auction. 150 units, day 2. There should be over 100 units. We're a little late. Man, they got security here again. This is crazy. I have no idea why we have security here again today, but it is here. Tell me you're excited over jeans. Now you're excited over jeans. Should have stopped at Home Depot and bought locks. Hey, what's that?
Is that a BB in there?
Oh, a BB can?
I don't know. To me. You know that shit, right?
Yeah, look how small the top is, the loader.
Yeah.
There's a little indent.
I love the couch thing.
Oh, these are nice plants. Okay, great way to start the morning off. The restaurant table. That's unique. That's weird.
Lumber's
About $1,000 in lumber there.
seriously.
That's money right there, isn't it?
Catalytic converter, yeah.
Rick, don't you need one of these? Don't you need one of those? There's another one. Oh, okay. That's where that came off of, probably. I wouldn't call it tossed. It reminds me of the era of that unit. Is that modern Danish?
Always ask, or says they buy catalytic converters.
Is that modern Danish up there? Almost looks like it, huh? A little nightstand.
Okay,
Depending on what it is.
right here. Somebody give me $100 bucks, get it going.
Yeah.
I got 100. How about a quarter? $100. Look for a quarter. $100. 25 anywhere. Another 25 and a half. 125. Look for a half. 1 and a half. 75. 75. 2. 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter and a half. 75. 300. 325. 325 and a half. 75. 375 back. 350. Look for 75. I got 350. 75 anywhere. 350. 350 going once. 375, 400, 4 and a quarter. 425 back to you. 425 and a half. 4 and a half, 75. 475. Yep, 500. 5 and a quarter. 5 and a quarter to you. 500 and a quarter and a half. 575. 575, 625. 625, yeah. 650, 675. 675 to you. 650, look for 75. No, 650, 75 anywhere. I got 650 once. 650 twice. Sold it out. 650.
I almost like this one. It reminds me of that unit with the potential of the old jeans in it. Manny and I got real lucky on the one the other day with the jeans.
This one for 20?
Yeah.
I got you.
Thank you.
Think that's a jewelry box right there?
What'd you say?
Think that's a jewelry box under that pink blanket there? It looks like a tall one, huh? And don't forget there's $1,000 in lumber in that unit.
He's still there.
Out there with pets.
You can afford pet roaches when you were little? You must have had a good childhood. This does not mean I'm gonna buy it just because it has my name on it. It's like the whole thing was taken out and then put back in. Christmas tree, broken desk, ugly chairs, old bike. Yeah. Is that Nelson Mandela? No. Yes. Shiny flashlight in there, Rick? You see that? No, look right here. It's not, it's costume, isn't it? Dang. No, it's weird because this looks gone through, but that's not open. Does that seem odd to you?
1550, 16 on this. 1550 going once. 1550 going twice.
No.
Sell it out. 15.
It's not that worth that. Pork grinds, used tools. This one actually almost doesn't look gone through. There's almost a little bit of organization to the way this is thrown in. Where are you going? You got a car to move?
It's all silver.
You found that in the storage here?
No, I bought it off of someone who needed money. I paid him $2,200. There's
How much you paid for it all?
$2,200.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm certain there's.
I'll give you 24 without looking in there. Gone through. This isn't forever. Remember, this place just held this stuff. This isn't like sitting here because somebody was paying.
Someone's paying for only this stuff to be in this.
No, they haven't. Some of these units, they haven't got a payment in years. They just haven't had an auction. Like, look, you really think someone's paid for this long for this? No. I wish this wasn't gone through. I feel like this would have been really nice.
What do you sell these sofas for?
These right here, maybe 200 in Alameda.
See, that's what I'm thinking too, man. How about those tall ones over there?
Which one we on?
Right there.
I don't think this is worth it. 200, 400, 475, 550. Boxes are gone through. No, this is a definite no. Thumbs down right here. Pirate gets Diff's approval.
All right. Here we go. 41. Somebody give me an open.
Ooh, look at this. Power wheels. How you enjoying yourself?
I'm loving it.
Like McDonald's.
Somebody give me an open. $10.
I like the alligator head.
$40. 20. 20 somewhere.
Yeah.
50. 60.
Yeah.
70. Yeah. 100. 10. Yeah. 20.
Yeah.
30. 200. 2 and a quarter. 725. Going once. 725 twice. Sold it out. 725.
Alex is right. I was gonna like this one, like the Canon. 34.
34.
It was the Canon box. I'm gambling. We'll see.
Let me explain this how Michael would. It's everything that's in the house. You got your bedroom
I was
right
looking
here.
at the toolbox
You got
top.
your
Are you
kitchen
talking
right
about?
here. Here goes
You
the
can see
office.
better right here.
This is the room. Right here you got the kitchen. Back there is going to be the garage.
Yeah, look, the shoe rack. The hairdresser thing.
Oh, it's almost done.
Name brands aren't screaming nothing. Case
Mattresses and
Wiz.
shoes tell a lot about a person.
Like a case like that, Rick. See the Black & Decker thing? These don't look like gun people. There was a bullet in the one I just bought, so maybe that'll be a gun. I think this is expensive right here.
What is it? What?
I don't know what that is, but I think that's expensive right there. I almost bid because of that.
Oh, it's Troy. I thought it was Joe.
It's like you don't see amps where the sides are perforated like that. Huh?
It's a Rockford Fosgate amp.
That's like a no. That's a home stereo piece.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it's like a home stereo
I thought it
amp.
was.
Yeah, this is all grass.
Ooh, so nice.
Better for the pirate. What's this guy? Treasure.
Oh wow. Sorry. That's a horrible little trailer too. $500 probably, right? I feel like they were like
I think the Wilder is worth more.
the weight machine. No, because those are just plates for those.
For this
That's probably a $500 trailer. Somebody will use it for their little business or something. All right, let's see what this goes for, ladies and gentlemen. Take your guess right now. It's a 10 by 30. There is a trailer there.
Okay, G5.
Yes.
Somebody give me an opener.
It's too much for me. I just don't want to work that hard.
75.
What's with the trailer?
3 and a quarter. All right, 3 and a quarter, 3 and a half.
Look, you can even see that everything's.
25 stuff?
Let's look at something then. Scott bought it. It's sort of like $500 sale right there.
Oh yeah.
Nice. This unit went for $320, guys. Oh, I would so buy that right now.
Thing's sick, huh?
You know how many videos I can make with that thing?
It's a nice boat. Buy the boat.
Ask advice on if we should buy it later. They were liked water, didn't they? Just had a car in it once.
Okay, H21, 20 by 25. I got $50 off. How about 75?
I want the drum. You know what's neat? Look at that Budweiser ice chest under there. It's an interesting unit. It's actually, you know what it is? It's a reseller. No. Something isn't right. Look at the amount of mattresses.
And stole stuff he couldn't sell.
Was this your unit?
No.
Who wants you to play the drum?
$40 though. Not $40. That's $40.
Oh, nice.
Only the bike.
A nice tailgate. Nice tailgate for the Dodge. Oh, this is Scott's gonna want this one.
Wow.
That is pure bliss. Look at, they were really lovely on their furniture though. This is weird. Ugh, the rats for day. I hate rats. This looks like too much work for me. 4 loads to the market.
No, 3 loads to the dumps, 1 load to the market.
Oh, you would do a dump run first? I almost never do a dump run before it gets to the dump run. It's got a weird mixture.
Scotty, what's sellable?
I'm dead ass.
I like this piece of furniture right here.
There is sellable, but
That one piece of furniture right there makes me like this whole unit. This is a money maker because it's not going to go expensive. Rick wants it too.
You like it?
I don't dislike it. I don't like it. But you think about our job, right? I like this. The furniture, this one compared to the way these two look are weird. But look, the sleeping bag. So it's like there's a mixture going on here.
Yeah.
What it is, I don't know. Because I also have to ask myself, are there any units where they had put multiple people's stuff in them, right? I just bought one.
Did Alex buy one for 21?
We bought one for 16.
Nice. Is that the one with the healthy bags?
No, it had, I didn't like it as much as I saw the big Chanel paper bag and it just made me, oh my. Units are getting interesting out here. Some boat motors for you, Rick.
Where?
Way back there in the back, trolling motors. All right, how many more left? We're almost there. I'm ready. What's under there?
Engine.
What is it? Big welder?
They had a carpet cleaning business. Janitorial services. And a motorcycle, you see that? Whoa. So someone got evicted and they got mad.
looks that way.
Strip the house.
Yeah.
Buy or bidder.
Ready? You can look whenever else is done, dude.
Thanks for having a nice auction with 150 people.
Thank you guys, man.
All right.
You guys, we wouldn't have it.
Now we're done. Auctioneer was just saying his hellos to me. We always talk. Good friend of mine.
Yep, he's not a part of it.
Keep going.
We don't fit.
Come on.
Oh, purses. Purses, baby. Woo! $29.99.
At least 3.
At least $3 a purse you guys gonna get.
What's this one right here?
Box right here is $400 box. This one right here, we got some oh, the exclusives, the Aladdins,
Oh yeah.
size 40. That means they're European.
Let's see the other side.
Now, all bull crap aside, you guys actually, these are pretty good. Thinking about wanting in now.
Rick got a hat. You get a hat. I get a hat. You get the shoes. We all get the shoes. I like that they're decent quality. They're not crappy.
They're not bad. They're not beaten up. They're not sun-ridden. Well, when you take them out like that, you're gonna have people wanting to make deals, and you start making bulk deals, and then you find somebody who just cashes you out. What's priceless is this storage unit, 11-2. I've never bought a unit that was a dash anything before. First off. Second of all, I've never seen that copper thing on wheels. It's probably a vacuum. But most importantly, was one bag down here. Oh, he only opens up one door. We don't get to see the light, guys. One bag down here. Look at that. Shanese. That makes me think there's a potential of something in here. Are you gonna grab the Shanese bag?
The Chanel bag?
Yeah. Got the whole world watching here, and you're just like,
Back shoes first.
ooh,
Ooh.
Nike.
Guess.
So guess what? Look
Guess
nice.
what? BC.
Oh
Guess.
yeah.
All right, whatever. It's just the bag.
That's the bag. Okay. Okay, might have owned one.
Nice Nikes.
Mm-hmm. Easy money.
What is that?
Oh, no.
That was big. Precision power.
They're mechanics.
700 watt subwoofer. We always do good when you get stuff like this, Mikey.
This reminds me of that time that Alex went 4th place in a chicken nugget eating contest. Oh, look at that. Look at this box right here. That is a brand new product here. And there's another one. See the yellow strap? Is it a brand new product?
No. It's taped shut on the other end. But I don't want to step on that table because the tabletop turns.